Hello, this is Pamela and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday, and that is works in progress. And I get to not only showcase or talk about some of the things that I'm working on, but I get to showcase things that you guys are working on. And I absolutely love that. And apparently from the views that I get, you guys are loving it too. So I thank you guys for that so very much. I'd just like also to say thank you to all of my subscribers for subscribing to my channel and enjoying the content that I'm putting out there for you guys. Thank you, members of my channel. I appreciate that very, very much. It helps keep my channel going and helps support my channel. I appreciate that. And thank you guys for watching my videos, playing my playlists and things like that. That really helps my channel as well. And I just want to say thank you guys for all of that. And I appreciate the emails and things like that that I get from you guys. And I just want to say how blessed and thankful that I am. I just wanted you guys to know that. Okay, so I guess I can start off with Hobie has a crochet along. And I thought, this looks fun. Maybe it'll be something I could do for the grandkids. And so it's a mystery crochet along. And it's you can go download this pattern for free now. I think you may have to sign up for the crochet along to get the pattern. I'm not sure. But that's the first part of it. I forgot. I think it may be like 6 weeks long. But anyway, that's the first part of it. And there is a YouTube tutorial that goes along with this. And if you don't understand some of the stuff that she's having you to do, then they actually have like a technique tutorial for things. You know, if you're not, I guess, if you've never crocheted in the round and things like that, there is actually a tutorial for that. Little tips and techniques, I think, for amigurumi. So I thought that was pretty cool. But this takes, I think, a 6 bulky yarn, and I don't really have any of that. So I went out to my garage out there where I'm keeping my yarn for the moment, and I found a 5 bulky in these colors. And I have a, it's either a 3 or 4 pack of each one of these colors. So I should have a total of like 5, so I've got plenty. And I have been actually saving this yarn for, to make something in the winter. Well, 2 winters have gone by and I still haven't made anything. So I thought, well, if I like this little crochet along thing, I may use this yarn and make several of them. So for the grandkids. It is supposed to be an underwater creature that is reversible and becomes another creature. So I thought, okay, that's really interesting. So I believe it's hashtag Hobie crochet along something. I will put it in the description box what the hashtag actually is. I don't know why I don't remember that, but anyway. Oh, here it is right there on the front page. There it is. Sorry guys, look. Hashtag underwatertails crochet along. And so if you do make this, you can post on Facebook, Instagram, or anything and use this hashtag to get the attention of your progress, which I plan on doing. So I'm looking forward to this. I think my first color is going to be, I've been debating between the burgundy and the gold as my first one. I think it may end up being the burgundy. So we'll see. But I'm looking forward to having fun with that. And let's see, what else do I have? Oh, I know there's a lot of market bag type things out there, but I want to make my own. And I have never made one. Well, I'm sorry, maybe, I don't know. I don't think I have. So I'm going to create my own market bag. And of course, I'm sure it'll probably look similar to everybody else's. I don't know. Maybe the stitches will be different. I don't know. I'm not planning on looking at everybody's market bags to see how mine looks compared to everybody else's. I'm just going to put one together. And however it comes out, it comes out. But I'm planning on using, I have quite a bit of this I Love This yarn in different colors. And as you can see, I got this on clearance. What is it, $1.24. And I've got like 4 of these. And then I've got this in several other colors as well. So I plan on making a market bag in this color. So we'll see. And this is a medium 4-weight yarn. And I thought this would be pretty cool. I'm just gonna make me a little market bag to throw some things in, you know. Okay, the other thing is, oh yeah, my daughter, one of my little Mother's Day gifts, she gave me several things. And one of them is this little pack of colored pencils. So thank you, Jennifer, for that. And I just love these 3 little books here. She said that, Mom, you're always writing notes in church of the sermon, and then you're always doodling at the same time. So she bought me this sermon notes plus doodle. I was like, that is just so cool. So anyway, this will give you an idea of what, I'll find out. I mean, she may have got this on Amazon. If she did, I'll leave a link. I'll see if I can't find it. I'm not sure if she bought it at a store or not. But anyway, so that's really cool. You write your notes on one side and you doodle on the other. I love this book. So thank you, Jennifer, for that. Now this other one, just the title alone just cracked me up. The Church Doodle Notebook. But this is really cool. It's a little different. It's like this. So I guess you're supposed to do things with the things you see. Make things from it. I think that's really cool. So anyway, that one's neat. And then this one, I really like this one as well. This is a coloring prayer journal. It says, pray more, worry less. Isn't that pretty? Just a beautiful book. But look at the inside. Oh, she needs to put to and from, don't she? I guess I'll have to write that. It says right there, on this side, it says, has a date, I am thankful for, I confess, I pray for, and then I praise you, Lord. And then you have little doodle work on the other side. There are some very pretty pictures in here too. Look at that. There was one me and her came across that we really liked. Oh wow, look at, I didn't see that one. The art one. Look at that. Huh. But we came across, oh, that one's cute. Look at that. They just, I don't know, I'm liking them all. Oh, look, there's a sewing machine. How cool is that? A basket of fruit and stuff. There's some birds. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Where's some of the ones that she showed me though that we just happened? Oh, there's a car in here. That was cool. There it is. Look at that. I like that. Oh, let's see. Wow, they're all so pretty. That's cool. Look at that. Anyway, so just some really pretty stuff. And the little rain boots. And anyway, thank you, Jennifer, for these. I love these. They are so cool. So I'm going to have a lot of fun with those. All right, let's see. So I told you about that and the Hobie thing. Oh, yeah, the stitch that came out almost midnight. It was 11 something last night is the beehive stitch. And I think it's a really cool, easy stitch. You only have to know how to do double crochets and front post double crochet. And that's it, guys. Look at that. So it says intermediate, and but when you watch my tutorial, I make it easy. So, and they only say intermediate because it's a front post double crochet, but I show you exactly how to do that front post double crochet. So I would like to say, or consider this an easy crochet pattern, because if you watch the video, I show you exactly how to do it. All right, let's see what else I have. Oh yeah, my shawl that I'm working on. Look at the shawl, the progress of it. I'm using an H 5.0 millimeter crochet hook, and I'm excited about this shawl. It's so pretty. And oh yeah, look at my little stitch marker. It's a skein of yarn. Thank you. That was given to me. But here we are. I'm in the pink right now. Let me go ahead and grab But here it is so far. Yay! It's so pretty. If I had a lot more of this yarn, I'd be making me an Afghan with it because I love this yarn. I love the way it feels. I think it's a good spring shawl. And if I had more of this yarn, it would be a good spring Afghan. But anyway, that's where I'm at so far. And as you can see, I'm starting into my solid. I've got, what, 2 rows of solid there. And let's see, am I 1, 2, 3. No, I'm on my 4th row of solid. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. I'm on my 4th row of solid. There you go. Anyway, I'm loving it, and I still have these colors to go through before I'm done. So I think it may end up being longer than I thought. I thought I had it measured out to where it was going to be 70 inches. Maybe it still might be. I guess it's really not that long. Let's see. Well, there's one. Oh my gosh, it's going to be long. Okay, so if I do that there, this light pink is in the middle. No, it'll be just right. It'll be a little long, but you want it a little long because you've got to have it wrap in front of you. So I've measured it right. I was getting worried there for a second. All right, the yarn for that, if you haven't seen the yarn yet, it is Hobie's cotton silk print. And then as you saw in the gray and the pink, those are the solid. But there it is. I absolutely love this yarn, as you can tell. Look at that. I love it. I just love the way it works up. I mean, I love everything about this yarn. This is, it's a 3-weight yarn, that much I know. And let's see, it's a 131 yards on that. So I think it's very cool. I love it. Let's see what you guys are up to. Okay, here we have Patsy's. She said that she just finished a bumblebee outfit for her goose, and it's so cute, Patsy. She's working on a ladybug outfit for her other goose, and the patterns are by Snappy Tot. The bottom shelf is the garden shawl, and I'm so glad you're working on that. Thank you so much, Patsy. And the pattern is, of course, my newest one. And she said this is a fun pattern, and it is working up nicely. Yarn is Red Heart Super Saver Ombre in the color Scuba. And she says for everyone to have a great week, dear friends. Well, same to you too, Patsy. Okay, here we have Mona's. Now, Mona says that this is her WIP table. She made some lots of towels and scissor holders, and she says hopefully she will have the pillow done soon so everyone can see it and the lap blanket together. She says happy crafting, everyone. Well, I love making towels and scissor holders, and I need to make some more of those. So thank you so much, Mona, for sharing those. All right, guys, thank you for sharing and posting your stuff on Facebook so that we can show it to everybody else. I just want to say how much I appreciate that. Let's go ahead and read our By Still Waters. Okay, it says, "Oh, to be blessed by you." Are you one of those women who love to do for others? You're the person out baking, out loving, out volunteering, out mothering, out counseling, out giving, out shining everyone in sight. You are a modern day superhuman star of the Bible. Get out of the way, world. You are coming through to save and protect the universe. Until you collapse in a little sighing heap, of course, and your face dawns a weak smile of relief. No human can do everything, not even a woman. Sometimes you need to let others do for you. Let others be the blessing. That's why the verse in 1 Corinthians tells us we are to care for each other, not one person or a handful of folks who think they can do it all. Otherwise, our good deeds might slip into a prideful kind of offering. Let someone serve you, counsel you, love you. Let someone else take the reins for a while. Then you can rest and rejuvenate and have some of that by still waters time you've always wanted and always needed. I'm exhausted, Lord. Please show me how to let others be a blessing in my life, and show me how to find those previous by still water moments with you. Amen. Wow. That speaks to me. I definitely need to take heed of that and pray that prayer. I need that. So I hope that has helped you guys as well. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.